Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Lovable Pro for free for 1 month using the latest 2026 offer. And if you've been thinking about trying Lovable's premium features without paying right away, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. So this offer is designed for eligible new accounts, so make sure you're creating a new account before you begin. So start by opening Lovable sign up page using the promotional link. Create your account by entering the required information and complete the registration process. And once your account is ready, sign in and wait until you reach your Lovable dashboard. So from there, open the billing or subscription section of your account. This is where you'll be able to activate the promotional offer. Look for the field where you can enter a promo code, then carefully type in the code exactly as it is provided. And after entering it, apply the code and give the page a few seconds to process the discount. And if the promotion is still available and your account is eligible, the total should update to show a price of $0 for the first month. And before moving forward, double check that the discount has been applied successfully. Even though the first month is free, you'll still need to add a valid credit or debit card to complete the activation. This is a normal part of the subscription process. So once everything looks correct, confirm the subscription and finish this setup. And after that, your Lovable Pro account should be activated, giving you access to premium features for the promotional period. It is also a good idea to review your subscription details so that you'll know when the free month ends and can decide whether you want to continue using the service. So that is all there is to it. The process only takes a few minutes, and if the offer is still active, you'll be able to experience everything Lovable Pro has to offer without paying for the first month. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.